Our first impression of the Ninja Fit personal blender was positive. So, we were pretty confident that it would undergo our testing as a pro. Let's see. Hi everyone, I'm Alan and welcome back to another day at Healthy Kitchen 101. We purchased the Ninja Fit personal blender on our own dime and put it through our rigorous tests to see how it faced off against numerous other single-use blenders. Surprisingly enough, this device turned out to be one of the best we tested. It has a standout design in and out. Not only that, but other features like capability and blending efficiency are also distinctive. Let's get into it. Test number 1. Protein shake. No matter what ingredients you have on hand for your protein shakes, the Ninja Fit will quickly turn them into a junk-free mix. Its impeccable performance in this test is evidence of that. Consisting of the toughest to blend ingredients, our recipe presents a high level of difficulty, but it still didn't give this blender any trouble. The Ninja took only 50 seconds to churn out the desired results. The oatmeal was completely broken down, while almonds and berries were blended to the finest state. After straining the drink through a strainer, we found a smattering of partially blended chunks, but we don't think it's enough to turn off any folks. 9.6 out of 10. Given such a result, this machine is a worthy competitor to the NutriBullet Pro, our best personal blender at the time of writing. Test number 2. Frozen fruit smoothie. When it comes to preparing smoothies, this blender's efficiency is something that we all dreamed about, but never thought possible on a budget. In our test, it allowed for a quick preparation of frozen foods with very little effort. The compromise was that he had to pause now and then to shake chunks free from the blades. The smoothie was ready to drink within 1 minute of blending. Twice as fast as some other models like the Magic Bullet, the Hampton Beach, and the Oyster. So, not only did the Ninja Fit blend smoothly, but its rapid operation also provided us with thick, ice cream-like consistency that we prefer in frozen fruit smoothies. If you're craving icy cold drinks on hot days, this blender definitely has the chops for it. 10 out of 10. Test number 3. Fibrous Greens. The Ninja Fit is quite capable of incorporating leafy vegetables and other fiber-filled foods into your drink. Of all the blenders we tested, this was one of the few that could break down almost all of the kale, spinach, and celery in only 20 seconds. The greens were blended finely and had consistent sized grounds. Not only that, but it left us with only a little pulp that was too big to pass through a strainer. Better results than even the pricier Nutri-Ninja Auto IQ. 9.5 out of 10. Test number 4. Crushed ice cubes. In this task, this blender struggled quite a bit and couldn't quite power through all the ice cubes. And again, we had to stop and shake the blending jar to promote contact between ice and the blades. A small amount of ice remained solid, accounting for 20% of the total when it was said and done. Of all the blenders with small blending cups, however, the Ninja Fit was the only one that actually could perform that well. It even crushed ice as fluffily as its larger counterpart, the NutriBullet Pro. 9 out of 10. The overall score for our 4 performance tests is 9.6 out of 10. Design. The Ninja Fit looks fancier than we expect for the price. The elegant yet sturdy exterior is a key selling point over its rivals. But the carefully constructed interior is what truly grabs our attention. In particular, despite being made of ABS plastic, the black actuator tabs are unlikely to break even when you press the cup down into them vigorously. The rubber and plastic lines inside the power base feel pretty durable too. There are also rubber grips on the bottom that keeps things steady while in use, and a cooling fan in the back to limit overheating. Still though, it's best not to run it for more than a minute at a stretch. The Ninja Fit is powered by a 700-watt motor, which is more than enough to blend most simple ingredients. The blade is constructed of hardened stainless steel. It features 4 prongs to get faster blending times and final results compared to those that only have 2. The base and base assembly screws tightly onto the blending cup to prevent leaks while in use. It is designed for processing liquids, but not for blending hot liquids or grinding. And the blender comes with 2 cups with 2 lids. 9.5 out of 10 for design. Usability. This blender doesn't allow for hands-free operation. You need to hold the cup in place throughout the operation to activate the motor. But this is true with most personal blenders. On the upside, it doesn't demand too much extra shaking or stirring to dislodge chunks trapped on or around the blades. For the most part, each batch only needs a little shake to achieve a smooth consistency. All the pots are dishwasher safe except for the motor base, but note that they must be separated from each other before being placed in the dishwasher. 8.4 out of 10 for usability. The Ninja Fit is mighty and powerful with an attractive aesthetic, a sensible choice, and one you're not likely to regret. Final score, 9.4 out of 10. And there you have it, the full review of the Ninja Fit Personal Blender. If you're interested in the blender, there's an Amazon link in the description below. We could include all the specs and every detail on the blender in a single video, so you can check them out on our website. If you enjoyed the video, please consider like and subscribe so that you won't miss our future uploads. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!